Two giants, face to face. The Tesla Cybertruck versus the Mercedes G-Wagon. Strength, power, and two of the world's most powerful machines, face to face. The Tesla Cybertruck versus the Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon. First challenge, the extreme uphill climb. Can the Cybertruck's electric torque overpower the G-Wagon's legendary brute force? Next, the jungle test. Mud, rocks, and broken paths. Only the strongest survives this wild terrain.
Now, into the frozen battlefield. On snow and ice, which giant has the ultimate grip?
The final challenge, Daffin. A narrow cliff road with no space for mistakes. One slip, and it's all over. Two titans tested across every terrain, but now the ultimate collision decides it all.
Cybertruck.